Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the console off and removing the Joy-Con from the rail. This prevents short circuits. Once done, use a tri-wing screwdriver to remove the 4 external screws, then pry the back plate with a plastic spudger evenly. Don't force a single corner. Disconnect the battery connector next by lifting the tab and sliding the plug straight out. Do this now because it keeps the board unpowered while you access the analog module, which reduces risk of damage and static issues. Once the battery is disconnected, remove the inner screws and lift any shielding to expose the PCB and joystick assembly. You may need to desolder 2 points or release a small clip depending on model. Work slowly and keep screws organized. Remove the old module, noting pin orientation, then place the new joystick so its pins align perfectly with the board. Solder or clip the connector using steady heat and minimal time. Too much heat warps plastic. Then inspect for cold joints before proceeding. You reassemble by reversing disassembly. Reinstall the PCB shield, replace internal screws, reconnect the battery, and snap the back plate on before tightening the tri-wing screws. Power the switch and go to controllers and sensors to calibrate the new joystick. Check all directions and fine-tune dead zone settings. If you see drift or unresponsive directions, make sure the connector is fully seated, inspect solder joints for cold spots, and reflow carefully if needed. Replacing with a known good module rules out defective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.